Okay, thank you, Journey. You have a good night. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, good night, Journey. It's 8 here, Alaska time. So 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11 p.m. there. Okay, good night. Where are they? You didn't see them? Ang tagal naman nila, uy. Kulit eh, no? Tagal ah. Ayan. So dito, thank you for subscribing. Ajit Gaming, thank you. Oh, kunin ko. This is how you do it. Kunin ko na buhayin na habang umulan. Ayan guys, mag-sauna kami. Every night we do sauna ngayon. Because it's really cold. Sauna is, oh, wow. So, ito. So, let's clean this up while waiting. Okay, there are flowers coming up. Oh my goodness. We need the sun. We need the sun, guys. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, see more. Ayan, nandiyan na si Jilana. Parang ayan na nga sila. Where are they? They're not on the driveway? I don't know. Isa! I don't know lang na I don't know. Ayan, linisin muna natin guys ito. Ano bang tawag dito yan? Yeah. Hi guys, we need more sunlight, sunshine, where are they? Yep. Ayan, away from any problem guy. Dito na lang tayo. Huwag isipin ng mga problema. Hi Tano. Andyan na sila. Where are you? They're waiting for you. Come on now. Are you gonna play the dirt, Jilana? Say please.
Juana, I'll be your customer.
Yeah, in the sandbox, she'll be your customer. Just tell her we'll play. Jilana, in the sandbox, Julene will be your customer. Jilana, yeah, do that, anak. Maybe over there, it's the dirt.